Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 6.2, question number 13. My dear students, question number 13 will be your CW and also SW. Today is our lecture number 25 of annual term and today's SW number will be 24. So my dear student, open your math book, page number 119. Question number 13 will be solved in our class. Here I have already written this question on the board. So I close this book. Before starting to solve this math, at first we read the question. Please notice. 5 years ago, the ratio of the ages of father and son is 3. The son was 3:1, and after 15 years, that will be 2:1. Find the present age of father and son. My dear student, notice here the present age of father and son is unknown. So we need to find out the present age of father and son, that means two unknown values. So we first consider the present age of father is x and the present age of son is y. After that we make condition. Notice here first condition is 5 years ago the ratio of the ages of father and son was 3:1. This is first condition. And second condition is after 15 years that will be 2:1. So my dear student, first of all we write the let the present age of father is x year. My dear student, notice the present age of father is x year. Now, and the present age of son is y year. I hope you have understood. Let the present age of father is x year and the present age of son is y year, because we don't know the value of x and y. For these reasons we consider. Okay. My dear student, notice 5 years ago the ratio of ages of father and son was 3:1. So 5 years ago the present age is x. So 5 years ago the present age of father is what? X minus 5 year, and the 5 years ago the age of son is what? Y minus 5 years. So write this 5 years ago the age of father was x minus 5 years. I hope you have understood. Next, and the age of son was y minus 5 year. I hope you have understood. So 5 years ago done. Notice 15 years, after 15 years, what will be the age of father and what will be the age of son? Notice present age of father is x, present age of son is y. So after 15 years, father's age will be increased by 15, and after 15 years the age of son will be increased by 15. So we notice the after 15 years the age of father will be x plus 15, and after 15 years the age of son will be y plus 15 years. So write after 15 years the age of father will be x plus 15 years. Okay, and the age of son will be y plus 15 years. I hope you have understood. Now we shall make equation from first condition and from second condition. From first condition, we notice 5 years ago the ratio of ages of father and son was 3:1. So 5 years ago the age of father and son was what? Father says x minus 15 and son's is y minus, father says x minus 5 and son's is y minus 5. So write according to the first condition. To the first condition. Notice x minus 5 is to y minus 5 and given 3:1 and the ratio is 3:1. Okay, notice we know that is to means division. That means x minus 5 divided by y minus 5. 3 divided 1. Now we apply here cross multiplication method. That means we multiply x minus 5 by this one and multiply y minus 5 by this 3. So x minus 5 equal to, if we multiply this 3 with y minus 5, then we get 3y minus 15. Now you notice x, this 3y changes position, that means minus 3y, and minus 15 is here and this minus 5 changes its position, then it will be plus. So my dear students, notice x minus 3y equal to, if we subtract minus 15 from plus 5, then we get minus 10. So this is the equation number 1. I hope you have understood. So this is the first condition. Okay. Now according to the second condition, notice after 15 years that will be 2:1. And here you notice after 15 years the age of father will be x plus 15 and after 15 years the age of son will be y plus 15. So we write x plus 15 is to y plus 15 equal to 2:1. Then we write this x plus 15 by y plus 15 divided by 2:1. Here you notice we used here cross multiplication method. That means at first we multiply x plus 15 with 1 and we get x plus 15. Then we multiply y plus 15 by 2. That means y and 2 we get 2y. If we multiply 15 with 2, then we get 30. After that x, this 2y changes its position. That means it changes right hand side to left hand side. That means minus twice y equal to 13. This 15 changes its position. That means it will be minus. Okay, minus 15. Now x minus twice y equal to, if we subtract 15 from 13, then we get 15. This is equation number 2. I hope you have understood. My dear student, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. By using these two equations, we solve. After that we get the value of x and y. Here notice x minus 3y equal to minus 10. Here you notice x minus twice y equal to 15. Here you notice x and x same. So if we subtract equation number 1 from 2, then we get the x term is vanished. The x term is vanished. So, we get the value of y. Y means the present age of son. So, now we write subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So, first of all we write equation 2, x minus twice y equal to 15. Then we write equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x minus 3 thrice y equal to minus 10. So, write x minus thrice y equal to minus 10. My dear students, now we subtract. In subtraction, the changes of sign, the sign will be changes. That means minus, plus, plus. Here you notice if we add 15 with 10, then we get 25. Equal sign. Here plus x minus x, that means x term is vanished. Okay. And minus twice y plus 3y. If we subtract twice y from 3y, then we get y. So, y equal to 25. My dear student, what is y? Y is the present age of son. So, we get the present age of son, which is 25 years. Okay. Now, we put this value of y in equation 2 to find out the value of x. That means, what is x? X is the value of present age of father. Now, putting the value of y in equation 2. Notice here x, that means write x minus 2 into, what is the value of y? The value of y is 25. So, we write 25, then 15. Now, x minus 25 to the 15. We need the value of x. For this reasons, minus 15 minus 50 changes its position. That means x equal to 15 plus 50, and we get 0.555 5 on 6, 65. So, we get the value of x and y. The value of x is 65 and the value of y is 25. So, we can say that the present age of father is 65 years and the present age of son is 25 years. Now, write. So, the present age of father is 65 years and the present age of son is 25 years, and this is the answer, 65 years and 25 years. I hope you have understood. My dear students, notice the question is so easy, but you need to calculate it in your CW copy 2 times, then it will be easier for you. My dear student, this is your CW and this is your SW also. You must do your SI in SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly. Your SW is submitted by your guardians in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. So, my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.